Imagine building a YouTube channel that makes $10,000 per month without showing your face, without hiring a team, without even recording your own voice. Right now, there are faceless YouTube channels generating between $5,000 and $30,000 per month using AI tools. And today, I'm going to break down the exact system they use, step by step. Not theory, not motivation, the real monetization machine. Stay until the end, because the last section is where most people fail. And it's the difference between making $500 and making $10,000 a month. Step 1. The business model. Faceless AI channels are not content channels. They are media businesses. Here's the structure. 1. High CPM niche. 2. AI-powered content production. 3. Optimized storytelling. 4. Multiple revenue streams. Monetize repeatedly. Professionals focus on revenue per viewer. Step 2. Choose a high CPM niche. The most profitable niches in the US right now: artificial intelligence, online business, and automation, quote, personal finance, tech trends, wealth psychology.
The journey
Higher
begins
advertiser demand
through bustling
equals higher
cityscapes.
CPM. Some of these niches reach $20 to $40 CPM depending on audience quality.
The journey
1 million
begins
views can
through
generate
bustling
$15,000 to
cityscapes.
$30,000 from ads alone. Step 3. Script production using AI. Top channels use AI to generate structured, retention-optimized scripts. You need a powerful opening hook, curiosity loops, escalation structure, strong payoff. Retention drives algorithm distribution. Distribution drives revenue. Step 4. Realistic AI voice. Voice quality directly affects watch time. Invest in natural tone, emotional variation, commercial usage rights. Bad voice equals low retention. Low retention equals no growth. Step 5. Video generation and automation tools help. Convert scripts into video. Add stock footage. Generate subtitles. Speed up editing. But refinement is key. AI creates the base. Strategy creates excellence. Step 6. Thumbnail strategy. Thumbnail determines CTR. Focus on high contrast, clear focal point, emotional tension, minimal text. Target CTR 8% to 12%. High CTR triggers aggressive algorithm distribution. Step 7. Monetization stack. Never rely only on AdSense. Stack revenue. AdSense, affiliate commissions, digital products, sponsorships. Email funnels. The goal is lifetime value per viewer. Step 8. Scaling to $10,000 per month. Month 1 to 2. Publish consistently. Test thumbnails. Improve hooks. Month 3 to 6. 1 breakout video. Monetization activated. Affiliate integration. Month 6 to 12. 1 million plus monthly views. $5,000 to $15,000 in revenue. Systemized production. Reinvest profits into quality and scale. Faceless AI channels are not shortcuts. They are leverage. AI reduces friction, but strategy creates profit. If you treat this like a business, not a hobby, $10,000 per month is possible. And now, if you've made it this far, don't forget to share this content with the world and use the tips and tools mentioned. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.